Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Iowa County and south central Wisconsin, southern Sauk County and south central Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Spring Green or 10 miles southeast of Richland Center, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and buildings. Locations impacted include Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Spring Green, Barneveld, Arena, Plain, Ridgeway, Avoca, Orion, Blue Mound St. Park, and Leland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.